Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm video for the month of September. I think I actually missed my August unboxing, so I apologize about that. I have no idea how it completely slipped my mind, but I'm back with my September unboxing. So I do pay for my own box every month. I have the regular base box, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. And then sometimes Boxycharm will send me an extra one in the mail. So this time I do have the Boxyluxe box to share with you guys. It's been a while since I've unboxed one of these, so I am curious to see how it stacks up against the regular subscription, and I don't know what's inside because I haven't seen any spoilers at all, so we're going to go through them together. So I will start with the regular box. This is the one that I get every month. It's $25 a month. It comes with 5 products and the value is always over $125. They also have Boxycharm Premium, which I don't have to share with you guys today. That one's a little bit more expensive, and then they do have Boxyluxe, so you can upgrade your regular box every 3 months and get this large Boxyluxe box. So every 3 months, it's an additional $24.99, and you get 8 to 9 products inside, and the value of this one is high. Okay, so Boxyluxe is always over $275 worth of value, but the website actually says the September box is worth up to $520, which is a lot, so we'll see. So you won't get both boxes when you do get Boxyluxe, but I will compare them for you and you can decide if it's worth upgrading. So the first thing in here is from SOMERVILLE. I actually have this in my shower right now. It's the EXFOLIKATE Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So I've kind of been working my way through my current skincare products, and I have used this in the past, but I had an extra one. So I recently introduced it back into my skincare routine, well, maybe like 2 months ago. And I usually use it once a week, once every 10 days, and it's a really nice exfoliator. So you apply this to the skin and you massage it into your skin for like up to 30 seconds, and then you leave it on for about 2 minutes. I actually just used it this morning, and I probably only left mine on for like a minute, maybe a minute and a half. It is a little bit intense, but I do have sensitive skin and it's not too intense for me. I would say you have to work your way up to using this. So maybe massage it into your skin, leave it on for 30 seconds, and then the next time you use it, 45 seconds. But I do enjoy it. I think it makes my skin look and feel really smooth. This actually has a high retail value because I was just wondering if I was going to repurchase it. So I am so excited I got it. It's an $85 product, so it is expensive. It's really nice that I got it in my Boxycharm box because now I don't have to decide whether or not I want to spend that much on it again. The next thing in here is from Billion Dollar Beauty. This is their Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. I always like getting beauty sponges. Again, I was just saying that I need to replace the one that I have. I use the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, but I'm totally open to trying a new one. So it says that it is charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect. This is a really soft sponge. It feels nice. So it's kind of shaped like the Beauty Blender, but it feels a little bit softer than the Beauty Blender. So I have a feeling I'm going to like this. I love using a sponge to apply my powder. I know a lot of people use sponges for, why am I blanking? Foundation, concealer. I was thinking about trying to use a sponge for concealer application again. I especially like that this one has like a pointed edge because you could get right under the eye. But the card says this retails for $15 and the density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. So I think I will try using this with my concealer again, just because I feel like sometimes when I use a brush, it looks a little bit streaky. So I would love to get a little bit more of a flawless finish. And I love the fact that they included a beauty sponge. I like trying new ones. Like typically I repurchase the e.l.f. one, but it's nice to get them in subscription boxes and try new brands. The next thing in here comes in really pretty packaging. I'm assuming it's a lipstick. So this is by the brand Hank and Henry. Have I tried any of their products? I feel like I've tried a couple of their products through Boxycharm. This is the Satin Cream Lipstick, and I got the shade Te Amo. Ooh, okay, this is really pretty packaging. It's like a red sparkly lipstick tube, and then do you press it? Oh no, you press this side and it pops out. That is fancy. Okay, the lipstick itself has like a bunch of shimmer. Does it have shimmer in it? It's really pretty. I don't have anything like this. Let me swatch it. It kind of reminds me of those new Huda Beauty lip balms that kind of have like a lot of shimmer on the outside. So I almost think the shimmer is just on the outside of the lipstick because when I swatched it, like there's no shimmer in the actual swatch. It went on like a beautiful cream lipstick. Okay, so the card says that it's just decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as you apply it to your lips, and the formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so in the bottom of the box, there was an eyeshadow palette. This is the BLINC Evening Glamour Limited Edition palette. So the blushes feel nice. It comes with one kind of like lighter pink, and then a deeper red. I guess I'm just assuming they're blushes. Yeah, it says that it comes with 6 highly pigmented shadows and then 2 blushes. So let's swatch a couple of the shadows. The blushes and the matte shadows swatch very, very similarly. They're not super creamy, smooth shadows or blushes, but they do have a good amount of pigment to them, so you could probably build them up to be pretty intense. I always get more excited about the shimmers or metallics in palettes just because I love wearing like a good shimmery shadow all over the lid. So let me just swatch these. These swatched nicely. They're not overly soft or creamy, but they do go on easily with a finger. I like the 6 shadows they chose in here because they're a little bit cooler toned, which I think is a nice change. So this is a pretty simple palette, but it could be good. So I will try it out because I've never tried any BLINC shadows before. So I'm curious to see how it actually performs. The next product in here is from Huda Beauty. This is the Lifeliner. So it is a duo eyeliner pencil. One side is a liquid liner and then one side is a pencil liner. Ooh, okay, so the eyeliner is like this type of eyeliner where you like dip it in the packaging and then apply it. I haven't tried an eyeliner like that in a really long time. I always have a hard time with eyeliner, so typically I use like a pencil, or no, typically I use a pen liner, like a felt tip pen or a brush tip pen. I haven't tried an eyeliner where you like dip it into the pot in a really long time just because I feel like they're a little bit more difficult to use. So I might put this to the test. I might actually just pass it along because I do have a lot of eyeliners currently open, so we'll see. If you guys have tried this, you'll have to let me know how you like it. So that is everything I got inside my first box. Honestly, I think that the Kate Somerville product totally made the box for me because that's worth $85. And like I said, it's something that I use every single week. So it's nice that I have a backup of that because it is an expensive skincare product. Other than that, I would say the product that I'm most excited about is the beauty sponge. I love trying new beauty sponges, but I don't always like paying for them because they can be expensive. So it's really nice I got that too. So let me know what you guys thought about this box, or let me know what you got inside your regular base box. Let's open up the Boxyluxe box and we'll see how they compare. I feel like that was a pretty good base box, so we'll see if this one is significantly better. Okay, the first product in here is from Persona Cosmetics. I actually saw this on their Instagram. So they recently came out with blushes, so then I think their next release was like a dual-ended brush, which you could use alongside of their blushes or really any other product. So one side is a blush side and then the other side is for highlight. So the card says that this is their power brush. It's a multitasking dual-ended brush and it is synthetic and vegan. So one side is meant for blush, one side is meant for highlighter. I will definitely put it to the test and see if it's worth the money. I kind of like that the blush brush is so small. Some blush brushes are so big that I feel like when I apply my brush, all of a sudden like half my face is covered in blush. So I like that this will give you a little bit more of like a targeted application. I mean, you could totally use this side for contour, for highlight as well. So I will put it to the test. By the way, have you guys tried the new Persona blushes? I've been meaning to pick one of them up because they look really pretty and I've heard really good things about them. So if you guys have tried them, I would love to know. Okay, the next thing in here is from Fenty. I'm so excited. This is their KILLAWTT Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. So I got Sandcastle and then Minted Mojito. I have tried their highlighter formula in the past. I had like a mini version of Hustla Baby. It was definitely one of my favorites. And then I think I was either traveling or I was using it and I did break it. And I've been meaning to repurchase, or I guess purchase, a new highlighter from them, but I can never decide which duo to get. I love the fact that they are duos because when it comes to high-end highlighters, I mean, they can be pretty pricey. This one retails for $36. So when you get 2 different shades, I feel like it kind of helps you justify the price a little bit more. Although one shade isn't a shade that I would typically wear, but it's kind of fun. It's like a greenish bluish highlighter. This is definitely a shade that I would wear, but I feel like this would make the prettiest inner corner highlight or even like the prettiest eyeshadow. I'm still kind of considering repurchasing Hustla Baby. I think the reason why I haven't repurchased it yet is because the highlighter that it comes with isn't a shade that I think I would wear super often, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just purchase like that little mini set again that comes with the Gloss Bomb and Hustla Baby because I think that would be nice too. So I love that they included this. Okay, the next product in here is from Osea. This is their Atmosphere Protection Cream. It is a lightweight firming moisturizer. So again, I do love getting skincare products. I haven't purchased a lot of skincare in 2020 because I've kind of been working my way through the skincare products I currently have in my bathroom, things that I've either purchased in the past or gotten through subscription boxes. And I've made a good dent in my skincare collection, so it's kind of fun to have something different. So this is a vegan, cruelty-free product. This is a light and luxurious hydrating moisturizer. So it is supposed to protect against environmental stressors that damage the skin. It says that it's meant for normal and combo skin. I do have oily skin, but honestly, I use all kinds of moisturizers. I have some really intense ones. I am kind of on like a gel moisturizer kick right now. I also have mattifying moisturizers, so I am definitely going to test this out. Moisturizer was never like my favorite skincare product, but I feel like it's becoming one of my favorite steps. Okay, I applied this to my skin. It's definitely a lightweight moisturizer, so it does sink into the skin pretty quickly. It doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky or oily. It feels really, really nice. So I will definitely put this one to the test. Again, I do like trying new skincare products. I do see a palette in here, so I'm going to go with that one next. So this is by the brand Eloise, and this is called The Queen. I'm excited to open it. I feel like it's going to have jewel tones just based on the packaging, so let's see. Ooh, okay, so there are some really pretty purples in here and some really intense pinks. There's also a really gorgeous blue in the lower right-hand corner. There are some pretty metallics. I have a feeling this one's going to be promising, so let me swatch a couple of these. Okay, these metallics applied like butter. They are so pretty. There are some really colorful shadows, but also like this pretty bronze is so nice. These are the type of metallic shadows that I like because they're just easy to work with. They're very, very buttery. So let me swatch some of the matte shadows. Okay, the matte shadows are definitely not quite as smooth or buttery. They almost feel a little bit patchy. I did have some difficulty with like this shade right here, but I'm curious to see how they're actually going to apply to the eyes. I love the color story and the metallic shadows seem very, very promising. So I'm definitely going to put this one to the test. I can use it in an upcoming Get Ready With Me if that's something you guys would want to see. The palette retails for $46. They say that the shadows are highly pigmented and they are suitable for all skin tones. I like that it has a lot of bright tones. It does have a couple of neutrals, but I feel like I could get a lot of really nice fall looks using this. So we'll see how it applies. Okay, the next thing in here is from Pure Cosmetics. This looks like a really nice brush set. So let me open it up. So I love getting brushes in subscription boxes. They are one of my favorite things to get because I don't have to purchase a lot of brushes because I've gotten so many in boxes. So these look nice. So I actually haven't tried any of their brushes to see how they perform. These feel really, really soft. So you get a bunch of brushes. It comes with 12 different options. There are some face brushes, a couple of eye brushes. These look small, which will be really nice for like detail work. So this retails for $49, which actually seems like a pretty good price point because you do get the case and you get 12 different options. So I can't wait to put these to the test. The next product in here is from the brand Byroe, New York. I hope I'm saying that right. I haven't heard of this brand, but this is their tomato serum. Okay, what does it do? It's a hydrating formula that visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections and improves the look of skin texture for a soft, smooth, clarified complexion. Okay, it retails for $150, which is a lot for a skincare product. I mean, for $150, I do feel like the packaging could be significantly nicer. This is just like plastic packaging. It doesn't even come in like a glass bottle, but we'll see. We'll see. It doesn't smell like tomatoes, which is good. I feel like that would not be a very pleasant skincare experience. So it feels nice. It feels like a very lightweight facial oil. Although it doesn't feel oily on the skin, it just feels really nicely hydrating. It doesn't feel like it's going to be harsh. It's just a gentle product. So, I mean, we'll see if it's worth $150. I don't know that any skincare product is worth that to me because I don't usually spend even half that on a skincare product. But that is one of the reasons why I do love when I get them in subscription boxes because it's kind of fun to try like luxurious high-end skincare without obviously paying for it. I mean, you do pay for the subscription, but you don't pay $150. So I will most definitely be incorporating this into my skincare routine to see if I see a big difference. I'll probably use it as like my nighttime serum. If my skin starts looking particularly amazing over the next few months, we can probably attribute it to this tomato serum. So we'll give it a shot. Okay, and then there's one last product in here. Actually, there are two more products. So the first thing is by the brand Wait, is it 111 Skin or 111 Skin? I looked this up last time. Okay, I just saw a video from the brand. It's 111 Skin. I think that I got a serum from this brand in a previous box, but this is their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. I haven't actually worn a mask like this in a very, very long time, like one that you actually take out of the packaging and apply to your face. Oh, okay, so this does come with 5 different masks, which is nice. So you do get multiple applications in here. So this is supposed to enhance the absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps your skin perfectly hydrated. It's supposed to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. So again, I feel like I've really come to appreciate the importance of including really moisturizing products into my skincare routine. I do feel like my skin has been a little bit less oily because I've been using some really great products. So this does sound nice. It's also supposed to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brighten your skin tone. I think I will put these to the test. I don't have a mask that I'm using super consistently in my current skincare routine, so I'll definitely give these a shot. And the last thing in here is something that I have tried. This is by the brand Ahava. This is their Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I'm actually not sure if Ahava is cruelty-free. I feel like I've seen very conflicting information on the brand. So I think I'm going to donate this product. I do have a donation box, so when I get products that aren't cruelty-free, either in PR or in subscription boxes, I just donate them. I also include products that are not cruelty-free as well. So if you get products in subscription boxes that you don't think you want, I mean, a women's shelter is always a great option. I'm not 100% sure if they're all accepting donations right now because of everything going on, but it's definitely worth calling a local one to check. So that is everything I got inside the Boxyluxe box. Wow, there were a lot of expensive products in here, so let me add them up. Okay, so the retail value of this box was $524. That is ridiculous. I don't think that I've ever gotten a Boxyluxe box worth that much, although it's been a little while since I've unboxed one. I mean, there were some good high-end products in here, like the Persona brush, the Fenty highlighter, the Pure brushes, and then a lot of expensive skincare products like the 111 Skin face masks, the tomato serum. So I can definitely see why this was such a high value box. I personally might not have spent the money on those products because they are expensive, but you guys know that I'm going to test them out. That's one of the reasons why I do love getting subscription boxes. I love when they include skincare because skincare can be very expensive. So it's nice to be able to try those products, have them in my skincare routine without spending the actual retail value on them. It's kind of making me want to resubscribe to Boxyluxe. The reason why I only have Boxycharm, like the base box right now, is just because I was getting so many products. It's not just Boxycharm. I do buy makeup. I get makeup in the mail as PR. So if I didn't have a YouTube channel and I was just looking to try some new products, I think Boxyluxe is a great option. And I do think it's worth the money because it's been very, very consistent in terms of quality. It's just whether or not you feel like you need that many products every few months. So I do feel like it's worth the upgrade if you feel like you would like to try additional products every 3 months, because for the price, you're getting a really high retail value and some nice quality products. So I do think it was a great option. It was nice to be able to unbox one on my channel because it's been a while. Where are you guys at with your Boxycharm subscription? Do you just have the regular box? Do you upgrade to Boxyluxe? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.